There are two ways of creating account sets. You can either create them explicitly up front, or you can actually do so on the fly while you're assigning them. To do so up front, select account sets, and you can either create a new account set by hitting the new button and filling in account set here, the details and the week numbers, or you can quickly add them into the grid here directly. So if I can create an account set here called AAA, BBB, CCC, and I've now created 3 count sets. Fill in the operator. We can put in, this is a different data set here, but you can, if you just type the first letter of something, it'll immediately come up here. So I can type in L, I'll get Lee, and similarly for location, all your locations are default. Fill them in as default, press D, or click the down arrow to select. And then for each of these, you need to put in at least one week number, or a number of week numbers, depending on how often you want that count set to be generated. And remember to save once we've done everything, and then A, B, and C will then be available to pick as a count set. Alternatively, when you're assigning count sets, let's quickly assign some count sets. One of the things I do, I always start by filtering the count sets to only show me the nulls, which then restricts the list to only the items that have not been yet allocated to a count set. Highlight whatever I want to do to assign. Click the assign products to account set, and then you can select from here. Now this screen is effectively the same as the screen you had when you were creating them in the first place. So if it's not already here, you can again create a new one from here by, no, you haven't got the new button, you would have to do it from here. So I can put in a DDD straight away here. I can say that's to be done by Roy at default. I've got that, put in a week number, and I click OK. It'll ask me if I want to save them. If I created one on the fly, it's created it now, so I'm going to have to then reselect my items and then reassign it. And then I can assign that to my DDD. Hope that helps.